What are you doing there?
Uh,
What is the matter? Ma'am, I came to drink water. Mm? Okay, drink. I'm saying to drink, no? Now you won't say that supervisor has not given a drop of water, no? Go. 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 Ah. You can change your costume.
mm.
Varsha, give uniform kit. That's what. You have to change your dress, tie your hair like this, and neatly dress yourself and come there. Come to the sales, okay? Priya, come. I'm not saying here, that come. What is this?
Madam,
As soon as you come here, you're expecting gold, huh? If you say any good chain, you should not put on your neck. If we leave you like this, you'll tag everything and go. See, I'm going to complain with the manager. See what he will do now. He will dismiss you from the work right now.
madam,
Come, dear, come.
madam.
I'm saying you to come now.
If you find gold, even Sonia Gandhi will look. That's a woman's habit. Just because you looked at the necklace, you're harassing her.
Shweta, don't interfere in this.
How is that possible, madam? We are workers here. If a customer requests for not just a neck, we are ready to keep it on our waist and demonstrate in front of them. That's our job. But this,
What is all this, Shweta? We are all workers. We are staying in one place.
is that so?
Mm.
Then go.
How stubborn she is. I'll see you later.
What's your name?
Priya.
She was a sweeper here. Now she's a supervisor. That's her attitude. She can only talk. Come with me.
Is it he that the person whom you told?
Huh?
Any affair?
Oh, this is what a symbol of love in your town. A lot of people have asked me. If a guy and a girl are friends, that's what people are gonna think. Manu is actually my caretaker. Love and trust. Friendship, he's beyond that.
Yeah, I'll give it to her. Shweta, phone.
Oh,
Huh, sit down.
hi.
Come on, sit down. What was I saying? What's your name?
Priya.
Priya. We are just not friends. We are business partners. I'm doing my real estate business along with this girl. Where are you from, Priya?
Aramala.
What happened?
Okay, I'll go.
Then you guys keep talking. I'll take a leave. And Priya, we'll meet. We have to meet. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
And then listen. There's rice and chicken curry kept in the kitchen. Don't waste it. It's manageable. You can eat it. And listen, you're good for nothing. Tell me how the food tastes. Okay?
If you stand here, you can actually see the entire town. Never resting roads. Vehicles are rushing by. People with different targets but are traveling to the same place. I stand here, keep looking at this image and have my dinner. Now I have another person. See, look, we'll see an airplane coming from that end. Then he will fly over our head and go the other side. And the time would be 8:30. Then he has a return journey. 1:30 at night. There are times I sleep only after that.
Sister, see the aeroplane.
Priya, I'm just stepping outside. Just lock the door and sleep.
It's gone.
Priya, I'm stepping outside. I'll be back soon. I have the key with me. I'll open it myself.
Sister, how can I be alone?
Don't be worried, man. I'll be back soon, man. I'll lock it myself.
Hey,
What
I
is
think
this?
it's crochet.
Like this?
Or else, what is this?
Crochet will be in black color,
It's
huh?
after all our place, right? Due to pollution, even crochet has become black. What to do? You go and get my shirt.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm?
Sister?
You go ahead. I've called in for a leave today. Vehicle keys on the shelf there. Oh, you don't know how to ride a bike, isn't it? Do one thing. Go right down, take a left from the gate. There is an auto stand there. Just have to tell them a shop name. They will drop you. Listen. When you get into the auto, it's on the first right. They'll take only 10 minutes. Auto guys can take you for a ride. Okay?
Sister? After getting down...
Left.
Sister? Actually, in this city, if left means this side or this side?
Hey, the left hand, that's the left. Once you go down, this side. Okay?
A small confusion.
God save her.
Sure. Okay.
Okay. Hey, take the lift.
Don't know, sister.
The ground is 11 floors down. If you start walking up and down. Get in. Press 0.
Brother, I have to go straight.
Sister, you can go this way also. It's jewelry, right?
No, don't go by this side. You have to go straight. Stop the auto. First, stop the auto.
Honestly speaking, sometimes the strike is actually a blessing in disguise.
Why you're saying like this?
That's why this beautiful chick is behind me in this bike.
Hey, Priya. Priya. Hey, you good for nothing? What happened?
Actually, I lost my
Going
way.
to the jewelry? Come on, I'll drop you. Hop on. Oh, just come on, sit down. Today, being a hartal, will the jewelry be open?
Don't know. If I don't go, they will scold, no? Thanks.
Okay, then see you.
Come, come.
She's all right. Only she is just scared.
So, can we go home, doctor?
Why not? But be careful about the wound for 2 days. You should not get it wet.
Don't worry, girl. 2 stitches. That's all it is. Hello, Manu. No. They have discharged her. We'll be at the flat. Why don't you come there? Come. Your mom is a heart patient, isn't it?
Yeah, but how do you know that?
Your father called me.
Oh, he might be scared.
Oh no, I haven't told them anything. Your mom has to undergo angiogram, I believe. I think he needs money.
Yeah, sister. Will they give some money in advance?
Don't worry. I've told your father to come. For the time being, I will give you some money.
No, sister, it's okay. Already you have done lot of favor for me. I don't know how I'm going to settle that.
Oh, self-respect. I'm giving you a loan. Repay me whenever you get your salary.
Mom, sister has come. Sister?
Is this your friend?
What happened? Why did you call me? Where's mom?
I'll see you later. First, come inside. Come.
Oh, when did you come, uncle?
It's been a long time. Can I not come if there is a problem here? After all, we are related, right?
You come.
What happened, mom? Why did you ask me to come soon? What's the emergency here?
I'll say everything afterwards. You go and fresh up and come now.
Mom, don't worry me. Tell me what it is.
Sister, I want to say an important thing.
For me.
Yeah. You only have given good life to everyone. In spite of that, you're still alone. Don't you need any good life for you?
You have worked a lot for us. Now for what we are working after your marriage. If you're interested, you can go ahead. Today a marriage proposal is coming to see you.
He's working in the bank. He's so smart. I have seen him.
Oh, so all of you were conspiring to get me married off. I'll get married when I want to. But not right now.
Then when? After you become an old hag or what? How long can a girl like this wait like you are doing? It is with your hard work that you have purchased all this. I understand. But when we get to the details, we don't know what to answer when people ask what is your big job that you're doing. Oh my god. When I encounter these sort of questions, I get really fed up. Even though it is little too distant, I am also related to you.
You please be quiet, brother.
There it is. When I narrate the fact, nobody likes it. Actually, what is the problem with my son? You stared right on his face and refused him. I do remember that. But still, if I am coming here, it is only because of her father.
At least you're remembering my father. That's a big thing. Don't make me say words now.
You cool, dear. Brother, you go and sit outside.
Who called them to this house now? And dig up the past? I haven't forgotten anything.
Look, dear, if anyone comes, a male should stand behalf of us.
Whoever is coming, tell them right now. They need not come here.
Oh, shame on you. If anyone is coming to see you means you're frightened like this. For their satisfaction, let them see and go. Come.
I'll come. Just let me spend some more time here.
If you spend more time, you'll get sweat here.
A little bit of comfort that I find is only when I sit here. This is our old house. This was the efforts of my father. It's a small house, but we were very happy here. When I sit here, I see my father. I can feel his affection. Can you see the branch there? That's where my father hung himself. a day before my graduation exams. When they untied the rope and brought him down, he was frozen. Why my father did that? Nobody knew. We got to know about the debt later. He had borrowed money from everyone. The last warning from the bank. If he dies, then they're gonna write off the debt. Somebody told my father. Then, Mom, sister and Anu. If I stop with my studies and work, I thought I'll be able to feed them. But today, we have reached here. Everyone asked us to cut this tree down. But for me, my father is still here. For me to bury all my sorrows, just to open up and cry. I just want to sit here for a few more minutes.
What's this? Both of you are standing here. They all have come.
Why are you making a mockery out of me?
Look, dear, you won't understand what I'm saying now. After the family's life only, you'll be understanding everything. Whenever you're rejecting whoever comes to see you for a house, they are also getting hurt, you know. Just go and see the guy. If he is okay, just say yes. Look, dear, after born as a female, we have to face everything in our life.
Who told you that a woman needs a man in her life?
See, I can't argue with you at all. You just first come. Come. Go and give.
Working for Citibank. He and only his mother is living there. Lakshmi is also staying near. Since the horoscope is matching, we can fix it now only.
If it is okay for you, we can keep any time. Only one tradition, that is all. If she comes with me now itself, we will take her. If they are interested, let them talk alone. After that, they can decide. This is not olden days, no? What, dear? Go. Go. Then we will do before December itself. Why you want to go so long?
Now we have to inquire about the boy first.
No, there is nothing to decide now.
All right then.
If possible, we'll do in this month itself.
Looks like you're a very shy person. I thought you were a very bold person. I had decided not to get married in my lifetime, but I have heard that only a good actor can be successful in his married life. But just because my mother forces me, I get ready to meet girls like this. But this time, it's not like that. Now I have decided that I want to get married. And I like you. A lot.
Wow, superb. Good pair, no? Both are? What, dear? Finish talking, huh?
Hello, Manu?
Okay, then we take leave. If you see a good day and fix the date means it will be good. Yeah, surely.
We have tried all other ways. He is damn adamant that he's not going to give it to you. It's a deal of 45 crores. In a matter of seconds, if somebody else is going to whack it.
I can understand everything. But keeping in mind your performance that you showed last year, company's not very keen.
Everything you know, right?
I'll try my best. But still, I can't do anything. I'm just their PRO. And I have my own limitations.
That deal, I need it. How much should I spend?
Come. Sit here. Hi, Manu.
This is my colleague, Shweta.
Hi.
Hello.
This is the one I told you, Mr. Gulab.
Huh.
And the client is Shekhar Shetty. Will it be possible for us to do it?
Let's see. If it works, good for us. Don't you think so?
An offer of 10 lakhs. I have already told you. I need that deal for me.
That's not enough. 25 lakhs. Liquid cash and we need it in advance. Then we'll see. We'll try. This is my friend, Priya.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Amanu, bye then.
Bye.
Come, let's go. Hello, Manu. Please inform them. That contract they will be getting.
Ah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What do you want,
I need
sir?
a change.
Come.
Okay. Hey, look, man, this is that Shweta's friend, right? I'm correct, right? Shall we try?
Shall we give it a try?
Sir, all chains are there.
Oh, so what about that?
That is necklace section.
Oh, necklace. Then
yeah.
we need that only.
Yeah, come.
Oh. Welcome, sir. Priya, show all the good collections. See, sir, you also come.
Please take your seats. May I know your needs?
What is the cost?
Do you remember us?
Sorry.
And it is very nice piece.
Look at this, sir.
Hey, mister, what are you doing? Hey, just go, man. Hey, she is your friend, no? Come,
What
let us
happened?
go.
What is the problem? Did you select, sir?
We selected, but not close to our price.
What? What is the matter?
Lucky old man. Come, let's go, man.
Old man? Me?
You people don't worry. Sales girls, it'll happen like this only. You know how much I have suffered. This is all our fate, you know. Besides all that problems, I'm facing everything.
What happened? Why are you sitting in dark? What happened, girl? Are you running temperature?
Shweta,
What did you call me? Shweta?
I want to talk with you.
What happened to you now?
Who are you? Actually, what job you are doing? From where you are getting this much of money?
Oh, like that. Only you want to know? Or do you have somebody else where I need to clarify?
Today, two people came to our shop and tried to hold my hand. And then asking me. I understood what they mean to say me is. Say me now. Who are you? Say me what job you are doing. Daily night time where you are going? From where you are getting this much of money?
When you realize your family sorrows are bigger than your beauty, that's when you're gonna understand me. Dear girl, I had to sell my body for all this. To protect the ones who are depending on me. This is all I had. That's why they all now live happily. That's why, if you call me a prostitute, there is nothing wrong in it. Probably it might sound like a 5-star prostitute's chastity speech right now. I'm aware of your problems. If you're interested, you will also have an offer. That doctor, a little bit of touch and feel, that's all. It might go up to a year. That's all you will need. You will actually realize a financial freedom.
Do you think me so much cheap like you? A girl will be very respectful only when she is virgin. If you don't understand that, no, you have to born in the traditional family.
Traditional. Yeah, right. It's just because of my tradition that nobody has put a bad eye on you so far. Tradition. Cha.
Ch- Never I will stay a second here. I have to pay you money. Surely I will repay you soon. If I am alive.
There's money on the shelf there for your mom's bypass. If you have forgotten, take that also. Now don't go begging before others for that.
Shit. I don't want to save my mother's life by selling your skin's money, okay? It is better for her to die even. I thought you, as you are my own sister.
Don't go out alone this time. It's not just your wrapped up chastity now. Not even a piece of nail will be left out. The discipline police will be waiting for you outside.
Daddy?
Were you sleeping, my dear? At hometown, you always wake up early. You have changed your habits when you have come here. What happened? Are you not keeping well?
Father?
How are you, my dear?
Priya? Here.
She will have problem to receive. She is new, no?
Why don't you talk?
You are so blessed to have such a nice friend. This is your mother's life. We have to return it in future. But see her good mind to give it to us. Johnson says if you work well, you will get more money and promotion. And your friend is also like that, no? I am not crazy about money. But I am seeing good dreams after a long time. Good days are coming back, I think. We have to get back our house. Maya has to get good education. If you also work like Shweta, you will also get more money. When we are getting all those which we have lost, I am so excited, my dear, my dearest daughter. Okay, shall I make a move? Shweta,
Huh?
I am leaving.
Why didn't you go after lunch?
No, I have to rush. I have to leave now.
Priya. Didn't you hear what father said? People inquire only about the money. They don't ask how you got it. Priya, the source of money in a woman's hands is inquired only by the husband. That too, someone who follows discipline strictly.
Call the doctor. I'm ready now.
Sometimes life is like this. Until yesterday, whatever your life's targets and decisions were, those facts will change, including the method. Doctor would be sending his car in the evening.
I want to buy sandals.
Hey, come in.
Hey, come here,
Hey,
man.
get
Come
in the
here.
jeep.
Get
Go
him in.
fast.
Come on,
You
fast.
only know. Go.
Get in. Don't hesitate. Come on, don't stand and stare. Come on,
Go, get inside. Come
Take
on.
that fellow also. Ask him also to get in. Sit affairs, and that too when we are here. Come on, walk in.
Let's go.
Push him in. Come on.
I know that girl.
I said get in.
We have to help her.
Don't make us use force. Come on.
Let's just
Get in.
go.
Shweta,
Get in.
if I am in that position means
Oh my god! Oh! Sir! Why, sorry, sir.
Kick him in.
Sir, actually, we didn't intend for all this. Sir,
Come.
sorry.
Come on, kick him in. Come. Sir, I
That's
just
what
need
I
to
tell
talk,
you.
sir.
Get into the
Sir,
jeep, man.
Get in, man.
Get in.
Get in. Come on, open
Come on,
the
get
door.
in.
Yeah, get in, get in. Come.
Sit, man.
What is the matter?
Someone has cheated this girl. Can you just spare her?
Oh, you're a social activist, huh? Keep moving, come on. Otherwise, you'll also get caught in this racket. Is it required?
Sir, when somebody is cheated like this, or just for the sake of a meal, they have to strip themselves, that's when your rule comes in. But for your corporates or ministers or for businessmen, whoever is ready to sleep with them, you don't take any action against any of these madams. If you even attempt, you will know
Shut
it.
up, you! Talking bullshit here. After all, are you teaching me law and order?
Sir, no, you will burn your fingers. Madam, he's new. You are feminist, you know. This is only just a complaint. And we need such things, you know, madam. And if you know that girl, you just come to the station and take her
Hey,
back.
get in, you bloody...
Don't argue anything. Get inside first.
Madam, you please come to the station. Sir, are they feminist? Yes. And that man is an activist? Ah.
Sir, tell me something. Who are these activists basically?
The man who acts. Yeah.
Then what about feminist?
That is somebody else. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god! Don't hit me, sir! I'd like to drive all my frustration onto you. Bloody.
Please don't beat him, sir.
Oh, I see. After doing all this, it is not sufficient, huh? Your bloody love.
Sir, I can't see that, sir.
You heard it, you bloody... Oh, no, sir, no, sir.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, my head, my head. I am still not satisfied, sir.
Someone will come to take her out. You please leave her.
Sir, you don't know, it's a very serious issue. After loving her, he has actually offered her to many people.
Ah.
Now itself, she's telling a list of 10 names. Out of that, majority are big shots. If the media and activists interfere,
She will become a toy for others to play. Then problems after that. And everybody will wash their hands. We will close our eyes and we will treat it as a petty case.
sir, this is actually the problem of our department.
Oh,
Your voice clearly shows the attitude of a criminal. Huh?
if you are meaning money, whether we charge it or not, we will get whatever we want. You see, such cases, sir, we don't have to bother about such things. Just forget it. We don't know who all are involved in this case. We will get our money. So we don't have to bother. We will get our money, I told you. Ah, here they come. Hey, you relieve that girl.
If your plan is to safeguard these people, then it is not going to happen. I have informed all the necessary notes.
You just leave them.
Anyway, come.
Jose, there is a hot news. Keep the first page vacant for that. This looks like a very big case, okay? We might need the second edition also.
The evening edition people will have a nice time.
Oh, everyone has come, I hope. TV Van has not seen. Is this
You
not
can
like...
take leave for another 2 days. We have channel breaking news
Yeah,
now.
yeah, of course.
Yeah, here they are coming.
Don't make rush. Don't make rush. She has been taken on surety, no?
Hello,
Don't
give
make
the way.
move.
Come on, move out.
Sir, actually, who are
out.
the big names who are involved in this?
Sir, any
Hey,
details?
come on,
We need to
woman.
give a flash, sir. Sir.
What, man? Are you not ashamed to hush up this case like this? Come on. Come on in. I want to talk to you.
Oh my God.
Come.
Where is your house?
Please
Hey,
just
come
go.
on, don't
Can you
just
just
push.
let us go? Don't harass
Come on,
us.
say, where is your
Madam,
house?
can you please tell us where you arrested that from?
Sir, 18 years. 18 years
sorry.
only. The other details are not available yet. The activists and feminists are all at the spot. There is going to be a problem here, that's for sure. Keep all the flash ready. And just wait for the details from us. The CA has just arrived now.
Keep all the flash ready. Keep it ready anyways. We are going to inform you shortly.
As no one is there for the support, you are just troubling her. Now we are all there. We will help her.
Madam, face.
Move. Please. Please.
Tell me, who all are involved in this?
1 minute. Actually, she is pregnant. She is going to give a birth for the millionaire guy. For the investigation purpose only, she has come to the police station. This is a big insult for the female society.
Priya, let's go.
First, we have to take her to the hospital. Give it to me. Let me also say. Actually, she is not a major. Very cruelly, a man has raped her. We have to put the case for that. But the SA has put that it is a petty case. We have
Let's
to
all
give
stay.
justice
Let's
for
go.
her. We all have to be unity. The police which have kept petty case must be punished. We have to suspend the SP who is trying to close the case.
We could not save her. Get down.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What do you want, sir?
I wanted to meet Sweta for a minute. Is it possible?
May I know who are you?
I am her friend.
Matters. Actually, she is leave today.
Can you please tell me where she stays? I'll go there and meet her.
If you ask her friend, she will say you. She's her roommate.
Okay, okay.
Hello. Please go and sit there. She will come there and talk to you.
Okay.
See how they are coming, saying as a friend. Priya, to meet Shweta, a friend has come for her.
Guest? Who is that?
Who knows?
Who might be
Yeah,
that?
come.
Excuse me, sir. Who is that, sir?
Oh, is it ready?
I just came to meet Sweta. I heard she's on leave. If you could give me the flat's address.
Actually, Shweta has gone to hospital. She was not feeling well. By evening, she'll be back.
Okay. Then I'll wait. Or if you can you give me her phone number?
Yeah, but once again. Shweta?
Hello?
Hello? Where are you now? Jane has come.
With Jen.
The day he has come to our house, no?
Just a second.
Shweta? Are you in line?
Why did he come there? I'm a little busy. Can you ask him to go?
She told that it will take time to come.
That's okay. I'll wait. I want to meet her at any cost.
Hello? He's here only. After saying you only, he'll go.
I'll come. Sorry, dear. It's an urgent matter. I might have to go.
Wait, what happened? You want to go right now or what? You just came now, right? You can leave after some time.
Please, why don't we meet some other day? Please.
She's asking you to wait.
Okay.
Can you give it to Jen?
One second. Shweta.
Oh. Shweta, what happened? You're not feeling well?
A slight headache. I might be a little late.
That's okay. I'll wait here.
Oh, we won't be able to talk there. Why don't we meet in the evening at coffee bar? Okay?
Okay, Shweta. Thank you. Thanks.
What happened? You look gloomy.
I told I will come. But I don't know, I'm very scared. The mistake which I'm going to do.
If we look beyond a man's 6-foot body, a woman's world is huge and vast. Why doesn't a man think about his chastity like a woman? It's a wrong when a woman does it. When two people commit a mistake, why is only a man being justified? If it's a mistake, both should be accused.
I don't know all that.
Why don't you know about it? Priya, it's only after a marriage that a woman towards her husband, has to justify anything. Probably circumstances might put her in any situation. A beauty that is lost is so less than a family. And not to lose it, it's a small compromise. That's all we are doing. Priya, has somebody ever used you? I mean, the first man who ever used me was an old guy. That too, a senior manager in a bank. I don't know if it was a rape or just let the guy do it. It's still not clear to me. That too, a week after my father's death. He said he wanted to talk about the bank loan and called me to a guest house. When I was returning back home, he handed me over my house documents. I have spent days in a dark room in my house. I thought I was going crazy. That day, my mother and my siblings cried their eyes out. Do you know that?
Shweta,
I have understood a truth. The most expensive thing in this world is the virginity of a woman. The thought that a woman is destined to always cry and be cheated on, that has to be changed. A woman sacrifices her entire life for a man, but when she cries, this man never turns around for her. But a woman never learns. A woman feels bad that she lost her virginity, but a man is very happy. All the men who have used me were satisfied, but I was frozen within. Circumstances exist in everyone's life, so it can go up to only a year. That's all the life is for the relationship with doctor. And then it's your marriage, then a family. Even then, never feel guilty about it. This was for the betterment of everyone. A door has slowly opened for you. That's all you have to think.
if the doors are open for the helmets, did you meet Jane?
I have to. Otherwise, he'll come to the shop to meet me. Why don't you go?
No problem. I'll go by auto.
You're sweating. Wipe yourself. You'll find a good woman as your wife.
Please. Please don't say that. We have met only one time. But I understood that that particular meeting was a very unforgettable one for me.
Life is not a serial dialogue, Jay. It's a glass twig. And we are just pieces to make it complete.
Literature was your subject and degree, right?
How did you get that?
Because when you use words, it seems to be very sharp. You seem to read a lot.
Reading. And me. If that's so, then it's not because of reading. Life. That's the greatest book.
Shweta, do you know where the exact beauty of a person lies in her?
Is the beauty.
A person's actual beauty lies in her heart and in her eyes. See? Just like these. Mom. 1 minute. I'll give it to Shweta. My mom. Speak to her.
Shweta, how are you, dear?
From the time when we all see you, that time onwards we are just thinking you're our daughter-in-law.
So, because of that only, I sent my son to see you and talk with you. I have spoken to your mother also. Everyone are very happy. Do you also happy for this marriage? Hello, Shweta.
No, mother, I was saying,
I want to say your mother that you are also interested in this marriage. Shall I inform her?
no, mother, but
Sir, bill for you.
Shweta, please.
it's okay.
Please. I'll pay.
Thank you, sir.
So why don't you leave, Jay? You have to drive a long way.
Fully wet in the rain? What happened? Did you meet Jane?
A girl like me is always destined to drench in rain.
So you decided not to marry him? Don't do like that. He's very gentle guy.
That's what the problem is, Priya. He's a good man. I always thought that men were of only two kinds, the greedy kind or the trader kind. But he was. To think about a life with that man itself is a mistake. For some time at least, I actually wanted it. Dreamt about a life with him. We are just ordinary women, Priya. Never forgot about our past life. Never thought about our dreams. But I am a woman, Priya. I just dreamt about it.
You only told no, Shweta. After the marriage only, we have to be very honesty to the husband. Why you thinking that only women have to be very traditional? For men also, the traditional will be there, no? The mistake which is done by either man or woman is same, no? As the sand house dissolving in the water, and as the wood burning into the ash, just like that, our life also is going to be that.
We can talk about it, but when you have to practice it, that's when we realize the pain. Priya, it's easy to destroy everything, but to get them back. If you don't want to go, I'll speak to the doctor.
No. I'll go now. So many of them are dependent on me. Because of them at least, I need to go.
Woman is like a mirror. It's bright and shiny to see, but if it breaks,
This woman is not a glass piece. It's an iron rod. vehicle must have come now. Manu,
There are no questions in this journey. Answer. Doctor?
Welcome, young man.
She has come.
Yes. I was waiting.
It's her first time. She may not behave the way you are expecting her to.
Hey, I have no problem. I am not a sexual sadist as you think, Manu. Just affection. I need someone as a companion to madly love each other under a tree in a small cage to live. We can fly whenever we want. How about a drink about, man?
No thanks.
Your wish. Manu. Mani. To make my new life, I have got this much only to offer. I lost my mother in my early childhood. Daddy used to me beat a lot during my teenage. And my wife and my daughter left me alone in this world. They have gone to the States. And you know Manu, my father. See, how is he laughing after giving me all the trouble? I am keeping his photograph over here just to make him know how successful I am. You know why I have hung over you old to see me grow, to see me happy, to see me flourish. See how everybody comes? Whatever you have taken it from me, see how all is coming to me. You still... And you know, Manu, all this while I am alone. All this sleepless night, Only that are with me. I am a psychiatrist. But I don't know, I'm behaving like a psycho. I want to get it back. I wanted to get all back. I want my happy days back. At least for few days. Okay? Ask her to come. Ask her to come. Go. Ask her to come. Yeah.
Priya? Priya? I never believed that you would ever come. Life is a wonderful journey. Even acquaintances can become a good relationship. But there's no point. If you're feeling guilty now, just think about your house and the situation in your house today. Yeah, and then you'll feel this is all right. You might feel I'm just a pimp, Priya, isn't it? Because of my circumstances, I am having to force myself to wear this mask. I have felt guilty many a times. All those times I used to think about my past and go ahead. So don't worry.
Wow. Am I in a dream? What does it mean? That was, I was in my cocoon. You were like an angel, you know. Such a beauty I have never seen in my life. Wow. Welcome to the angel's paradise. Welcome. Such beautiful eyes. You are my mama. You are my mother. Yeah, mother. 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 My mother. She was like an angel, you know. She used to sing lullaby and make me sleep on her lap. She wanted to do that. Mother. 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 My mother. Come on, mummy. Come on. Come on. So much time I have not seen you. I have not seen you for quite a long time. I love you, Mom. Mother, come, Mother. Come, Mother. Please sit over here. Please give me a kiss, Mom. Mother. Mother. I want to sleep over here. Yeah. There is a gown inside the almara. Just wear it and come. Just once for me. My God. Such a beauty queen. Veronica. The beautiful dancer. Veronica. Veronica is my lover. You were my Veronica. I was in love with my Veronica. We used to visit the cemetery also. And we made love each other over there. Do you know my love? You were born in that snowful Switzerland. You were dead. No. You have committed suicide. You cut your nerve. And blood was oozing out. Why, Veronica? Why did you commit suicide? Why did you commit suicide, I am asking? Tell me, why did you commit suicide? Why? Why? Why the hell you committed suicide? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me, Veronica. A beautiful girl like you. You should not have committed suicide. Why, Veronica? Tell me. Why? For what purpose? Huh?
Why are you wearing this dress?
Today I am Veronica. I born in Suvania, in the place where the ice is raining. I died. No. I committed suicide by cutting my vein. That too, blood flowing.
Have you also become mad like the doctor?
Then what? Actually, I am living here as his imaginary angel. Sometimes as a wife, sometimes as a mother, or as a sister. Just like that. The relations which he didn't get and all, he is fulfilling with me. Sometimes I don't know who am I. I'm really very blind, Manu.
Even I'm a reason for this situation of yours, isn't it? Priya, It's not guilt or it's not sympathy. Will you be ready to accept?
Actually, life is an endless journey. Sometimes relations may change into love. We can't judge that.
I've always faced losses. Even Shweta has started avoiding me. She's not even ready to face me once. There are certain commitments that I have that can be done only by Shweta.
She might be vexed. Or else, she wants to be stopped all the past.
That's not possible all of a sudden.
Now only she is able to understand the life. Or else why she will be doing like that? You don't worry. Someone may come to substitute her place.
Yeah, it must be possible. But now I need Shweta badly. At least for some time.
Please leave her, Mano. She is going to a good path in her life.
I have not gone in search of anyone. Neither have I forced anybody. But requirement brought all these people to me, even her. Not letting them fall into the traps of the city. I have taken them to all the big bungalows in the city. And have got them good money and a good life. I agree. Even I have made use of them. But I have had to pay very heavy losses for that. A glorified pimp is another name that I have. This is a very different game. Trouble is straight in front of you. But to avoid all that, I have to get Shweta back. And you know where she is now.
I will talk to her. Now you may go.
Just tell her. Nobody can avoid anybody in this life. Especially when it comes to commitment.
Shweta, now you're okay, no? Mano has come.
And then
He went away.
he didn't come to meet me.
Mm.
However far we try and run, our past life will always haunt us. I'm going to tell Mom. This wedding will not happen.
Are you going to say now? Did you think about your family? If this marriage is stopped means, you know how much they will be feeling for that?
We get married and then that leads to a tragedy. Why don't we just stop it here itself? Since I have realized that it is a mistake, however hard we try and beautify it,
Mia culpa. Mia culpa. Mia maxima culpa. My mistake. My mistake. My biggest mistake. By soul and mind, all the human beings in the world are always doing mistakes. Even the biggest mistakes are forgiven. I can give you so many examples. Just think that you have not lost anything. Forget whatever happened. You have got nothing to lose. You keep all your memories in a cage. Dream. Dream for a beautiful and a happy married life.
how can I justify my stand?
Justice. That is where arranged marriage has got importance. Till that time, both don't know each other. On the wedding day, they'll make love each other. They don't know each other till that moment. How can one open up his mind on the very first day? Both husband and wife. I can't understand. Tell me how. If they open up, there will be more divorce cases over here. Some men always go after women, but still, he wants his wife to be very honest. He can have any woman as he chooses. It is a make-believe. and people travel on that thread, a small thread which is called marriage. You can also be like that? Hmm? And you too? Why not? Huh? If you are getting a new life, choose it. You will have everything, whatever you want. Like this.
Shweta, you don't argue with the Manu. Try to make him understand. Forget all the past. Start your new life. You're eager for that, no?
You think that's not my desire? But I'm scared every time he looks at me. He was a good friend of mine, a helper. But now I'm scared of him. If I go far away from him, I don't know how he's gonna react.
Why are you thinking like that? Think positive.
You are my strength now. Will you not support me now?
No, I won't be with you. I won't come for your marriage also. That is good for our life.
Why are you avoiding me, Shweta? You can tell me if there is any problem.
Manu, I'm getting married in 2 days.
That's okay. But what about the commitments that I have taken up because of you? I need you for today also. That old charm and that old beauty of yours.
Please, don't insist now. It's not just my body. I want to change from my heart as well.
How is it possible if you talk like this? You cannot run away so easily from here.
No, Manu. Please don't compel her.
You can say this, but this is a big question mark for my existence. Shweta, I just need this one night. I'm just talking for one night. After this, I will get you home with whatever risk is involved. Please.
What? What did you say? I am someone else's wife tomorrow. I should cheat him?
Why did you stop? Huh? Wherever you try to confess, and however good you try to portray yourself, you have always been selling your body. And because of you, how much do you think I'm going to lose today?
If you sell me today, this is more than what you can get.
Leave it!
Let's go. Tea.
Hey,
Why don't you come home early today?
there's auditing in the bank today. Still, I'll try my best.
You were supposed to take me out, forgot.
Yeah, I remember. I'll take you out, don't worry.
Can we start the engagement ceremony?
Yes, why not then?
Ah, sister?
Your other daughter? Oh. Sir, I have to tell you something. Why she has come over here? You didn't ask.
She told that she want to stay here for a week.
What is the use of her staying over here? Sir, don't misunderstand me. This is a good alliance. If someone asks about her sister, no, I am not telling anything. The whole universe says, you sit over there. I'm coming. Hell, she lost everything and she want to lose her sisters also.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm leaving. If you need of any money, you no need to come there also. Just send me the message. Oh God. What, dear?
Hey Ravi,
Yes.
that palm leaf also.
Oh, okay.
Why are you scaring me like that? Stop, Ravi. He is scared of me.
I heard you came. Going back so soon, huh?
How are you now?
I called you several times. You didn't answer the call itself.
I was very busy there, that's why.
I am also thinking of coming to your place. There's no point being here. If I am there, I can see you, right? There will be some job for uneducated people also, right?
Do you need any money, Ravi?
Can you give me your new number? I'll call you when I come there. Don't worry, I'll not misuse the given freedom. Just tell that I am your servant.
Ravi, please. Don't say like that.
This is okay. And the sample of the tiles, have you
Okay,
got that?
Done.
Hi, Manu. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have got selected as district governor of Tiger Club.
Oh,
Congratulations.
and behind every success, there is a very dangerous past. To make certain things possible in life, you might have to do some mistakes also. I was in that correct path. But anyways, I'm happy now. The reason for all the success in my life is this one. Take it. I didn't introduce you to him, right? This is Pratish Nair. He was working with me for a long time in this branch. Now he's in Guruvayur. I don't have to introduce her, right?
Hello.
And Pratish will be staying here tonight, okay? Come. When he was in this branch, he used to eat 3 times from my house only. He likes the dosa that my mother makes, isn't it? Am I right? He wanted to take a room in the lodge. That's not right, no? So I brought him here. Just get us 2 teas, no? Then what's up? Sit, man. What, man? How is everything going on?
Yes, man. Sometimes I feel some escapettes are really good. We can refresh ourselves.
Your attitude has not changed. What is this, Shweta? What happened to you?
Hey, easy, man.
Sorry.
Please go bring another dress for him. Give me that glass. Get up. Change your dress. Shweta. Sit, man.
And dude, whenever you get time, just bring your wife to my house. You can go to the temple also there.
Let's see. She also likes the temple a lot.
Is it? Otherwise also, these girls actually like to go to the temple a lot.
You also sit.
Yeah, have this, man. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Hey, where are you? Tell me, man. You get some water for him, na? Sit down. You have not stopped your old mischievous behavior, right? You good for nothing guy.
Hey, Jen.
Hey, why are you leaving so soon? If you leave from here without seeing my mother, she won't let me be in peace. Just 1 hour. I'll go and bring her.
Dude, I got to reach there before afternoon. I'll do one thing. On my way back, I'll drop down here. By the time mom will also be here.
That's not going to happen today. 6 years back, this one left this place for a morning walk and I'm getting to see him only yesterday. Just take care of him, or else he'll leave. You sit, man.
Everything is a coincidence, dear. Jayan had to meet me now. He invited me here. Then to meet you again.
I didn't get that.
I'm not going to tell him anything about our past.
Why don't you go outside?
Huh? Why are you getting worked up now? I just came here not to remind you of anything else. Neither should you remember. But I'll tell you one thing. Life is actually to be celebrated. I know very well that you cannot forget me. There are some debts in the middle of our relationship.
What debt?
You should not actually miss any opportunity to clear the debts. Maybe we might have to regret for that later. You get me?
To cut short my life. There are methods like these as well.
What, Pratish? You want to go without meeting me? Come. Dear Shweta, you have become very busy. You haven't come for his marriage also. You might have bring your wife and kids also, no?
Oh, so you didn't know anything? She's delivered the second baby. That's also a girl.
Really, it's a very good thing. As last year you are here means we have went to temple very happily and came.
Okay, Mom. Can I just leave now?
What? You're leaving now? Without taking lunch, you can't leave.
If I get late to the bank, it'll be a problem.
Nothing will happen. Take his phone and talk with the manager. To use for the emergency only, leaves have been kept. You come on, sit.
Come, man.
What happened here? Why are you looking so sad? Come.